Testing. Hello. I think I've come up with a revolutionary wind suppression device. But I'm going to test it. We will see. See if you can hear really good. Or is everything really muffled? Why would somebody throw shit on the floor? Alrighty. We're going to do the motorcycle startup test. And we'll test the noise. I do not have a dB meter, so I'm going to have to try to play it by ear. Okay, end of that test. Now, is the wind test. I cannot run 30 miles an hour. And I didn't want to put my helmet on. So what I'm going to do is hopefully not drop this thing. Well, that ought to do it. We'll see.